Hi guys, today a new unboxing, and it's a special unboxing. I received a packet from beautiful Poland, and so I don't know if you already know this guy. This guy is making very nice things, and especially headphone stands. And I was looking for some time on Amazon and other websites where I could get something I really like. And so far I was not successful. And I found this guy, and so his name is Krzysztof, and I forgot his last name, but I can put it in the description. And he's making very, very nice high-end quality headphone stands. And honestly, for me, they're the most beautiful on the market, and they can compete with any other headphone stands. It's made of wood, so the criteria was to get something made of oak, and I wanted to have something made of oak. Why? Because in the living room, everything, all the furniture are is made of oak. It's as simple as that. And so I received two boxes like this one. I'm kind of cheating a bit because I already unboxed the first one, so the second one is exactly the same. So it's very well protected. I will just open and you will see. So this is up the headphone stand inside, so bubble wrap, some foam, etc. So I will just remove it. I will remove the foam. Up, up, up. Then I remove the box. We have foam everywhere, and here is the beast. So I'm kind of well prepared this time. So I have something to clean, but yeah. So this is the headphone stand. So as I said, it's made of Asia oak, and so it's handmade in Poland, and you can see that it's so still the same person. So gummy fit, and I'm going to show you how it is used. So here you can put the headphone, here you can put the cable, and everything is it's well polished, polished from Poland, you know. And that was a very bad joke, sorry. But anyway, yeah, that's how it is. So I'm going to show you, because I really loved it, and now I have some regrets that I didn't buy more of them. Well, I think two is a good start because they are close to 100 euros. So it's not cheap, but this is, I mean, it's a lifetime, something you're not going to replace anytime soon. Even if, I think, even if I don't think you can damage, especially a hardwood like that. So basically, you put your headphone like this, and or maybe from behind, I don't know. And you're going, yes, I attach. Okay, so it's just for the video, so I will be kind of quick. And once you make all the turn, you can just finish like that, and you have your headphone stand. Okay, in my case, it's not because it's just the cable, 3-meter cable from the HD 600S is very long. It's the 3-meter cable, and for me it's way too long. So anyway, I can show also with a longer. So this is the 800S, also a Sennheiser, and I think when you have a very nice headphone, it deserves to have a very nice stand, and especially if you're putting them, you know, in the living room. So yeah, I'm going to attach to put all the cable around. So I had a very nice exchange with this guy, so the guy who is making those, and about the availability, I wanted to, etc. So the only thing is I forgot to precise is when you have high-end, I consider this one as a high-end headphone, and a stock cable which is also already thick compared to the HD 600S. You can see it's pretty thick, and it won't, unfortunately, it won't go well here. So it won't go at all. So I will just leave it like that. And I sent an email to this guy, and he told me, "Oh, you should have told me before. I would have made it a bit wider here, so it would have been perfect." Anyway, he told me he planned to make some upgrades on this model. So don't ask me for the model name. I totally forgot. I ordered it like 2 weeks ago or something like that, maybe more. And it has been very quick. I got it the delivery. So I live in Germany, as you probably already know, and it came from not far from Warsaw. It's in neighborhood of Warsaw. It's a city name. I forgot the name of the city, of the Polish city, but it is. It has been very quick. I mean, in less than 48 hours, I got the packet, the delivery, and so it was very quick. So I paid for both like 200 euros, and the delivery was included in it. So yeah, I didn't show with the, but you can imagine. I mean, it looks very good. I have the other one which was already prepared. So that's part of the the cheating part. So this is the well, you probably know it. It's the DT 1990 Pro, and so I used the coil cable because I really liked it, and I still really like this headphone. I mean, I don't use the analytical pad. I use the balance pad, but it's a really good headphone. I mean, it's a very nice one. I don't know what else to say. It's very precise, very detailed. It's maybe too analytical for enjoying some music, but I really like it. And so the advantage is when you have something thin like that, you can just put it and that's it. And it's hanging very well. So yeah, okay. So and yeah, I mean, when you have, I don't think you can put more than one, actually. No, I don't think so. I think you need to have one for each. And until now, I was using some aluminum things. And I mean, for the living room, it was not that, yeah, for me, it was not that nice. So I wanted to have something nicer. So I will put, yeah, I mean, when you have, okay, I have only two, so I need more of these. But anyway, I don't plan to put everything in the living room anyway. So some headphones will remain with me, will stay with me in the office room, and some will just go in the living room. And yeah, I think it's a very nice. As I said, I think for me it's the most beautiful headphone stand you can get. And I know there are some others. I also checked another Polish company, actually, Felix Audio. They make also a stand with made of oak. And I checked many companies. I checked everywhere, I think in Europe and also abroad. The only problem is when it's outside the European Union, you have higher costs for shipping, and also you have the VAT and you have the customs. So at the end, it's better to buy and to support also, I would say, local companies, whether they are Polish, German, or French, or any other country in the European Union, and especially when they make very nice things like that. So yeah, so that's maybe my too long video already, for just for nightstands, headphone stands, but yeah, I wanted to share this with you. So I will have to clean a bit. I'm already prepared. So I have some products, beeswax. Maybe I should So this is what I use for the furnitures, and this is what I will use on the headphones. What I really like is there are no chemicals on it, and I could not stand the fake kind of, I'm not saying fake, but the wood or kind of wood. I forgot the name it has. I mean, all the headphone stands you can find on Amazon, and they are full of chemicals, and they plus everybody has the they all have the same and different colors, and so no, for me it was a no-go. I don't want to have something like this and on my head and smelling chemicals. I pay attention to what I buy and what I put on me. So anyway, so that's it. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.